In this video we will explain how to install new cables on an OmniPlus-i machine type 190, build year 2019. Read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating, maintenance or safety instructions could result in serious injury. Switch off the loom. Remove cover. Use wrench number 8 and Allen key number 4. Use an Allen key number 4 to remove the top clamp. Remove the bottom clamp with an Allen key number 4. Remove bottom cover plate, use an Allen key number 5. To pull in a cable or an air tube in the sleeve, you can use a cable pulling tread. However, if you have a flexible rapier tape, you can use this too. Tape the cables or air tube to the rapier tape. Pull on one side and guide the cable at the other side. Remount bottom clamp and tighten with an Allen key number 4. Cut the 3 straps on the main nozzle air tank cover plate. Unwrap the cable bundle of the spiral wrap. Start from one side up to halfway and then start from the other side. Join the new cable or air tube with the others. Wrap the bundle again in the spiral wrap, starting from the middle. Put 3 new straps on the main nozzle air tank cover. Tighten them and cut off the tails of the straps. Use a torque screwdriver number 120 to remove the main switch cover. Remove the second cover, cut the straps, and remove the torque screws with torque screwdriver number 120. To pull in a cable in the sleeve, you can use a cable pulling tread. However, if you have a flexible rapier tape, you can use this too. Tape the cables to the rapier tape. Pull on one side and guide the cable at the other side. Check the route where to lead in the cables in the control box. Put some straps on to hold the cable in place. Clip of the tails of the straps. Connecting the cables in the control box will be explained in a separate video. Remount the cover. Screw back in the torque screws with torque screwdriver number 120. Tie 2 new straps on the sleeve, clip of the tails of the straps. Remount the main switch cover with the 4 torque screws, using a torque screwdriver number 120. Remount the top clamp and tighten with Allen key number 4. Remount movable main nozzle valve cover with an Allen key number 4 and wrench number 8. Connecting the cables in the control box will be explained in a separate video. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.